So after we have retrieved the unused attachments, right now it's time to remove them. And to achieve that, we need to create a method that will take the ID and the partitioning key of the attachment or the item, and then it will be removed. So to create that, in the attachments repo interface, I will add delete async, but of course we need to pass the uploaded by user ID, because I'm passing this in here because it is the partitioning key. Right now, let's go to the implementation of this interface and implement. So we have the delete async function, add async, and then I'll add var container. Okay, I will write it by myself because let's get container. Okay, GitHub Copilot just wants to take that job and do it. So those are two very simple and basic lines. Get the container. The second thing is container.delete item async. It's of type attachment, and then ID, pass the ID and pass the partitioning key. Of course, we need to make sure that none of those is null, so we can use if ID string is null or white space ID new argument exception name of ID. The same will happen in .NET 7. There is an easier way. We didn't upgrade our project for .NET 7 yet, and we may not do that because .NET 7 doesn't support the Azure Functions 100%, the same capability that we have it right now, because Azure Functions only supports the long-term support version of .NET, like .NET 6, .NET 8, and so on. But there is some features that we can use, but we'll see. Mostly the client side will be fully .NET 7, but the server side, we are going to keep it for .NET 6, just to keep the full support of the Azure Functions SDK. So this is it, just a very small little function in here, and this is all what you want to do. So right now we have the delete, we have the get unused, and in here, in the service of blob storage, which is this one, we already have delete and save. So that's great. Right now, we have all the components we need. In the next video, we're going to put all of them together within an Azure function and with a timer trigger to finalize this work. So thank you so much, and see you in the next one.